This is for us.
This is for us.
This is for us.
Tongue run around. That's not Z900.
This is for us.
This is not Z900. That's the Z900.
This is.
No, but the thing is, I told him this much. I saw it.
Boss,
How are you?
all good.
Good. How's everything?
Presented in the Z series, started with the Z1000 more than 10 years back, and we have implemented the 940cc. Also the new version equipped with the IMU system, which is something new to the model. The most exciting part of this event, which is the unveiling the new model. And let me hand over the mic to Imran.
Wow. All right, everybody, the time has come. So, do you want to step to the front of the bike?
Yes, why not?
Let's go to the front of the bike. Okay. Everybody, step to the front. That's what you want to see? You want to go to the front? Everybody. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the Z900 2017. Yes, sir, we couldn't find the real one. There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, 2025 Z900.
Come on, guys.
Great, well done.
Oh, nice color.
Better. It's better in green, but that.
He just started his coach.
Also, ladies and gentlemen, we have snacks for you guys as well. So, once you, I know you're not going to get tired of taking the pictures, but we've got some snacks for you.
Looks good. This is for us.
This is for us.
This is for us.
Tongue run around. That's not Z900.
This is for us.
This is not Z900. That's the Z900.
This is.
No, but the thing is, I told him this much. I saw it.
This is what I want to sit on.
Rohan. You can take a picture of it. We also did this so that people can see the difference between the first gen and the new one.
Yeah.